In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your PDF file into a JPEG and completely for free. Now, the website which we're going to be using is called TinyWow, and you can get here by going to tinywow.com. Now, on here, they have lots and lots of great free tools, over 100, I believe. Now, if we come to the search bar, which is just here, and if we type in PDF to JPEG and click search, we're going to get this tool just here. If we click on here, we can then take our PDF, which I have just here. This is just a simple PDF, which I have, and all we want to do is take that PDF, drag it onto the page like this. We're going to give it a second for it to do its thing. It's going to turn it into a JPEG, and we're going to click download, and there we go. So now we can download the zip just here, or we can hover over the image, click the download icon. It's going to download up the top like that, and now we have our PDF file, which was just here, turned into a JPEG just like this. So that's how to convert a PDF file to JPEG and completely for free. Now, if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and have a watch of this.